Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into your Apple ID and enabling iCloud Drive and iCloud Photos. This lets your files sync across devices. Once signed in, make sure Wi-Fi is connected, because large uploads use less battery and are faster. You should check iCloud storage now and upgrade if you need more space or delete duplicates. This prevents sync pauses. Finally, enable background app refresh so uploads continue when the app isn't foregrounded. This helps complete backups reliably. Now you'll upload and organize. Use the Files app. Open an app, choose Share Right Arrow Save to Files Right Arrow iCloud Drive, or drag within files to move items. This creates cloud copies instantly. For photos, enable iCloud Photos so new pictures back up automatically, and choose Optimize Storage to save local space. Once items are in iCloud, create folders and tags to find things faster, and use Share Right Arrow Add People or Copy Link to give access. This controls who can finish by confirming your files synced. Open iCloud Drive on another device or iCloud. Com and verify. If something hasn't appeared, try signing out then back into iCloud or toggle iCloud Drive off and on. A restart often forces stalled syncs. Make sure your Apple ID is correct, storage isn't full, and Wi-Fi is stable. These are common blockers. If problems persist, update iOS because system updates fix sync bugs. Contact Apple support only after these basic steps fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.